Good morning, all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, happy, and healthy. Am I right? Yes. Welcome again to your EVS online class. Myself, Miss Rupal, your EVS teacher. Students, in the previous class, I explained you fourth lesson of your EVS subject, and the name of the lesson was Directions and Maps. And today I want to share the notes of this lesson with you. So students, please be ready with your combined book number 1 and with a pencil and remove page number 106. So students, are you ready with your combined book? Yes, page number 106. Lesson number 4, Directions and Maps, Formative Assessment. Question number 1. A large frame is given along. Your house is at the center of the frame. The frame has a stripe on each of its 4 sides for writing the directions. So, question number 1 is, on which side of your house does the sun rise? So students, what you have to do, you have given the frame. In this frame, a house is there, okay? And 4 boxes are there in that frame. So, firstly, you have to write the 4 main directions in that boxes. So, where I have written the east, so the opposite of east will be the west, and the right side of east is south, and the north side of east is north. ओके, 4 डायरेक्शंस के नाम लिखना है सबको पहले बॉक्स में. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1A. On which side of your house does the sun rise? So, here the answer is east. The sun rises in the east. E-A-S-T, east. Okay. Now question 1B. The opposite side of east is dash. So, you can see in the picture that the opposite side of east is west. So, your answer is west. W-E-S-T, west. Okay. Now question 1C. On the head of the house is which direction? So, the answer is north. N-O-R-T-H, north. And the opposite of north is dash. Opposite of north is south. So in the blank you have to write south. S-O-U-T-H, south. Okay students. Now question number 2. What's the solution? Okay, firstly again you have given a frame and east direction is already written over there. So in the opposite side of east, in that box you have to write west. Then left side of east is north and right side of east is south. Okay students. Now question 2B. In which direction do we travel to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop? आइसक्रीम शॉप से बस स्टॉप तक जाने के लिए हमें कौन से डायरेक्शन में, कौन सी दिशा में जाना पड़ेगा? सो द आंसर इज वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. द आंसर इज वेस्ट, WEST, वेस्ट टू ईस्ट, EAST, ईस्ट. नाउ क्वेश्चन 2C. Amit wants to go to the ice cream shop. In which direction must he walk? अमित को अगर आइसक्रीम शॉप पे जाना है तो उसे कौन से डायरेक्शन में जाना पड़ेगा? सो द आंसर इज ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. ईस्ट, EAST, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट, WEST, west. Now question 2D. Meera wants to go to the bus stop. In which direction must she go? मीरा को अगर बस स्टॉप तक जाना है तो वो कौन से डायरेक्शन में जाएगी? सो इन द पिक्चर यू कैन सी दैट नॉर्थ टू साउथ डायरेक्शन. Meera is in north direction and the bus stop is in south direction. So she has to go from north to south. So the answer is north to south. NORTH, north to south, SOUTH. Okay students. Now question number 3. Use your brain power. A. Stand facing the rising sun. In which direction is your right ear and in which direction is your left ear? What you have to do, student? You have to stand facing the rising sun. Okay? जब सूरज उगता है तो आपको उसके सामने फेस करके खड़े रहना है. देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट, इन विच डायरेक्शन इज़ योर राइट ईयर. आपका जो राइट साइड का ईयर है, कान है, वो कौन से डायरेक्शन में आता है, और आपका जो लेफ्ट साइड का ईयर है वो कौन से डायरेक्शन में आता है. ओके, सो द आंसर इज राइट ईयर इन साउथ डायरेक्शन and left ear in north direction. Okay students, understood all of you? Okay. Now question 3B. In which direction will your shadow fall at sunset? So the answer is east. EAST, east. Now students, remove page number 108. Question number 4. Read the map using the index and the directions. Carry out the activities given below. So, question 4A. Write the name of your town in your taluka. So which is our taluka? Vasai taluka. So our town name is Nalasopara. Okay. So in the map you can see that where I have written Nalasopara. थाने के बाजू में नालासोपारा दिख रहा है. Okay. So in that place you have to write Nalasopara. Okay. Now question 4B. Circle the name of the headquarters of our district. So the answer is Thane. our district headquarters is Thane. In the index, you can see that which sign is used for district headquarters. Okay. So where Thane is written in the map, you have to circle it. Okay, students. Now question 4C. Draw a box around the names of the talukas adjoining your taluka. So in the map, I have made a boxes around Bhivandi, Kalyan, Ulhasnagar, Ambarnath, Shahpur. These are the names of the talukas adjoining our taluka. Okay, so you have to do as I have done in the map. Question 4D. Color the taluka adjoining Pune and Ahmednagar district. So in the map you can see that Murbad is the taluka that adjoining Pune and Ahmednagar. So you have to color that taluka as I have colored. Okay, any color you can use. Now question 4E. In the box, write in which direction the Arabian Sea is located. So you can see that the Arabian Sea is located in the north direction. Okay, so in that box you have to write north, North, north. Okay, students, understood all of you? Yes. Now students, remove page number 109. What you have to do? You have to find your district in this map and you have to color it. ये मैप में आपको क्या करना है? हमारा जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट? पालगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, उसको फाइंड आउट करना है और उसे कलर करना है. यू कैन सी इन द इमेज दैट I have already colored the Palghar district. Okay, any color you can use. And in the index, the small box is given. All of you are able to see. Yes, so in the box you have to use the same color which color you have used to color the Palghar district. पालगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आपने जो कलर फिल किया है वही सेम कलर आपको ये बॉक्स में भी करना है. एंड माय डिस्ट्रिक्ट के बाजू में जो डैश दिया है, इन दैट डैश, इन दैट ब्लैंक यू हैव टू राइट पालगढ़, PALGHAR, पालगढ़. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर C. ओके, इन द बॉक्स बिलो write the names of the districts neighboring your district. हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है पालगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, तो हमारे नेबरिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट कौन से हैं? नासिक एंड थाने. NASHIK नासिक, THANE थाने. These two are our neighboring districts. Okay. Now students, remove page number 110. So in this map what you have to do? You have to find out our Maharashtra state. Are you able to see in the screen? I have colored Maharashtra state. Okay, so this way only you have to color. Okay, Maharashtra state, any color you can use. Okay students, ये मैप में हमारा जो महाराष्ट्र स्टेट है उसको आपको फाइंड आउट करना है और उसे कलर करना है. Now students, remove page number 111. 11. Okay, so world map is given. Okay, what you have to do? You have to find out our India, our country India. जो वर्ल्ड मैप दिया गया है उसमें आपको इंडिया को फाइंड आउट करना है और उसे कलर करना है. ओके, एंड इन द बॉक्स बिलो साइड द मैप. ओके, जो छोटा सा बॉक्स दिया है उसमें भी सेम कलर यूज़ करना है जो कलर आपने इंडिया को किया है, और जो ब्लैंक दिया है उसमें लिखना है इंडिया, INDIA. Understood all of you? Yes. Now students, remove page number 112. Question number 8. Activity A. A box is given below with the east marked in it. Fill in the other directions too. आपको एक एक्टिविटी दी गई है जिसमें 4 बॉक्सेस हैं. ओके, ईस्ट इज़ ऑलरेडी रिटन ओवर देयर. एक बॉक्स में ईस्ट लिखा हुआ है, बाकी के 3 बॉक्स में आपको डायरेक्शंस के नाम लिखने हैं. ओके, सो ईस्ट के ऑपोजिट वाला डायरेक्शन है वहाँ पे आएगा वेस्ट, और लेफ़्ट साइड में नॉर्थ और राइट साइड में साउथ. ओके, आफ्टर filling in the boxes, after writing the directions, you have to answer the following questions. Okay, so question number 8 उसका B1. What do we make use of to determine the east? So the answer is rising sun, RISINGSUN, rising sun. जो दिशा में, जो डायरेक्शन में सनराइज होता है वो डायरेक्शन कौन सा है? ईस्ट. तो ईस्ट डायरेक्शन को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम किसका यूज़ करते हैं? राइजिंग सन का. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन 8C. विच इज़ द डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट टू द नॉर्थ? नॉर्थ के ऑपोजिट में कौन सा डायरेक्शन आएगा? साउथ. सो द आंसर इज साउथ, SOUTH, साउथ. नाउ क्वेश्चन 8D. विच डायरेक्शंस डज द मैग्नेटिक नीडल शो? So the answer is north-south direction. I have explained you in the lesson that in the compass box, the magnetic needle shows the north-south directions. Okay, so the answer is north-south direction. NORTH, north, SOUTH, south, direction, DIRECTION, direction. Now summative assessment. Question number 1, answer in short. A. What is used to determine directions and how? Answer. A compass can be used to indicate direction. A compass rose shows direction on a map. Okay students, now question 1B, last question. What is the index in a map? मैप में जो इंडेक्स रहता है वो क्या है? You have to write the definition of index. Okay, so the answer is a list of symbols, 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 pictures, 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 signs, 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 and different shades of colors. Different, different shades of colors. Colours, colors, etc. given along with the map is called index. INDEX, index. Again I am repeating the whole answer. Listen. A list of symbols, pictures, signs, and different shades of colors, etc. given along with the map is called index. Understood all of you? So here I have completed the notes of this lesson. What you have to do, students? You have to complete your notes, and soon we will meet in the next class with a new lesson. Okay? Till then, stay home, stay safe.